Ahmed Legrand from CFAO, Suzuki. Specifically, I'm a sales executive or sales consultant. I'm presenting to you our Suzuki brands, which are manufactured here in Ghana. We have both the Suzuki Swift, the GL, and then the GL Plus. So it's just a 1.2 liter vehicle at affordable prices. And as I speak to you right now, it's very economical, spacious. This is used for the B2B businesses and also for the individual who want to have a town ride, to have not to spend so much on fuel. These vehicles are available. They are right assembled here in Ghana with our Toyota partners, and they are very efficient, very affordable, and very strong on our roads. It has a very good clearance to avoid potholes and also be able to take you anywhere in this country that you want to go. We also have our parts available anytime you are ready for servicing. Our branches are all open, also in partnership with Total, where you can also visit them and have your services done any part across the nations of our country.